Hey everyone. So basically in today's GFG POTD, we have a problem. Count pairs with sum is less than target. So basically it is an easy level problem. And as the problem statement is given here, given an array R and integer target, you have to count the number of pairs in the array whose sum is strictly less than the target value. So if we are actually looking at this particular example here, so we can say like if we are actually taking the sum of this 7 and 3, then we're actually getting 10. 7 and 5, we actually getting 12, which is greater than 8, but we need to calculate only those elements which are less than target value. Okay, and then after that if we can select 7 and 2, which is 9. Okay, so like if we are actually traversing in this array, we are getting two pairs which is having the sum which is less than 8. Like we can select 2 and 5 whose sum is like 7, and 2 and 3 whose sum is 5. So these are the only two pairs which whose sum is like less than the target values. Okay, so we need to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of n log n, and this contains sorting, two pointers, techniques, and arrays. So let's try to solve this question first. First of all, we need to sort the array. So here we use sort array dot begin, and then array dot end. Once we sort this, now we have to define variable I is equal to 0. That means index I which is pointing to the first position. We need to solve this problem with by using two pointers. Int j is equal to array dot size minus 1. That means I points to this particular position, that means first position, and j points to last position. Now let's try to solve this problem. For before that, we have to also make a count variable. Int count is equal to 0. Now we need to traverse it inside the loop and check which are the pairs which are having less than the target, which are having the sum less than the target value. So here we can select while I is less than j, we need to traverse it here. Like here, first of all, we have to make some variable which is having we can select which is having the addition of array of I and array of j. That means at the initial positions, it is having this thing. Like we can select 7 and 3. Now we need to check here first if array of if we can directly say that if sum is less than target value, then what we can do here, we have to make count. That means here we have to take the count. So for that, here we can say that count is equal to, we can say that count plus, or we can simply say that count plus is equal to j minus I. Like if I'm doing this thing, that means j is on this position 0 1 2 3, 3 minus 0, that means we can say that 3. So we actually getting output as count as 3. Okay, so and then what we have to do here, we have to do I plus plus, else if we can say that if sum is greater than or equal to target value, then we have to skip it. That means here we have to do j minus minus. At final we have to return count. Now let's try to compile and run. So here our compilation is completed. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.